Hey my dolls, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. Before we get into this luxury unboxing, go ahead and click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel if you like luxury unboxing, beauty, and lifestyle vlogs. So y'all already read the title, so y'all know what I'm about to unbox. So I have the Nice Mini, but can you guess which color I got? So I'm going to show you guys how to convert your mini into a crossbody bag, and then I'm also going to show you guys what fits in my bag. So if that's something you're interested in, keep watching. Yourself. A merry little Christmas night. All right, I am so excited about this overdue unboxing, y'all. So I went to the Louis Vuitton store and I picked out this bag I've been eyeballing for a while. And I finally got it. So let's see what I got. Da-da-da. Okay. So it came wrapped up really nice. Came in tissue paper. And then, of course, the dust bag. So one thing, I am kind of upset because Louis Vuitton just came out with their holiday packaging, and it is so cute. It's navy blue and like gold. And I was hoping that they had this packaging there. And I had texted my sales associate and I was like, why didn't I get the new packaging? And she was like, oh, we sold out pretty quick. And I'm like, it's the holiday season. Y'all need to be stocked on that. I'm so tired of the regular packaging. Is really getting boring, but the new packaging is really cute. So yeah, but anyway, this is what I got, y'all. I got it in pink, of course, because pink is my favorite color. It has the silver hardware. I don't have any Louis Vuitton bags with silver in it. Most of them have gold, so I did want to switch it up and get some silver detail. And then this is the inside. So as you know, or if you don't know, this is a makeup bag. All the girlies are wearing this makeup bag as a little handbag, and they are tying like little bandeaus around here. Or you can do what I plan on doing, and I'm going to show you guys later in this video. I'm going to convert this into a crossbody because I want different options on wearing this bag. So I want to wear it as a handbag and also as a crossbody. So it is leather in the inside, so very easy to clean if you got your makeup in here. So if you were to spill anything in this bag, it'll be easy to wipe out. So these bags, they're very affordable because we know Louis Vuitton stuff can be overpriced. And it's like when we get hip to converting his makeup bags into handbags, all he do is add a chain. Like he actually have a bag just like this with a chain actually, and it costs more. Just like when he discontinued the toiletry pouch, what was it? The toiletry 26, I believe. I did get that before he discontinued that, and he came out with new ones with the wallet inserts and added a chain and all that. And some don't even have a chain. He just added like the wallet inserts, and the girls are wearing it as a, you know, a clutch, or they're still converting it into a crossbody. So whatever. Like I said, if you're looking for something affordable, then I would say go for it. The retail price is $1,240. And then with tax, I paid $1,314. So not bad at all. You can also add like a chain across if you want to get something to dangle. You have to dress this bag up and make it your own, okay? Especially for that price, make it your own, okay? So let me show y'all my accessories. I will have everything linked in the description box. If you're interested in these accessories for your bag, then check out the description box and shop my like to know. I will have two options on this insert. So it was very affordable. I think I paid maybe like $13, and I do have another place where you can get it from for cheaper. So like I said, check out those links. So it's a little insert. I got this because I don't want the inside of my bag to get dirty. So I did purchase an insert, and then it also has a little zipper right here. So you can, you know, place your money in there. You don't have to worry about anything falling out. It fits perfectly. Okay, so that's that. Now let me show you guys how I am going to convert this bag. So I did order some D-rings. They look like this. Really small, silver, cute. And I also got this chain. Nice and sturdy. Great quality. So you're just going to take the D-rings, slide it like that. Okay, so we have the D-rings on here. And then you're just going to take your strap. Voila, you have a chain. The length is perfect. The chain is absolutely sturdy. And as long as you don't like overpack your bag, you should be absolutely good. So now I'm going to show you guys what fits in here. Okay, so this is how I ended up tying mine. I did do like the little braid look. So yeah, you don't have to do it exactly how I did mine, but I do like how I did mine. You can also do like the little bow. You can tie the little bow on the side. And also, if you think you'll have trouble creating a look for your handle, then ask your sales associate to do it for you before you leave. They will gladly, you know, hook you up. And she also told me if I needed help, you know, getting my bandeau a certain way, that I can just come back and she'll do it for me. But it's not that deep, y'all. But this is like the little, like I said, braid look, and then I just have it hanging down, and then this is what the back looked like. So I think it's cute. So if I wanted to wear it as a top handle, I could. Now let me show you what fits in my bag. Okay, so I am currently recording on my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I do have the case right here, so it is about this small. So I just wanted to show you guys that this camera does fit into here. So if I was wearing this bag, I would definitely have this camera. So I'm going to put that in here. Of course, I will have my cell phone. That will fit in here. A lip gloss. My dots. Okay, of course, I would have hand sanitizer. So that will be able to fit. And then lotion, that will be able to fit. My Chanel mirror. Then also my Chanel lip balm. And then my Louis Vuitton monogram card holder. I will put that in here. And I'll probably like put in this little slot right there. And then my lip liner. So those are all my essentials that I normally carry, especially like in my mini bags. And yeah, that's it. It's still lightweight, and I'm able to get all my essentials in here, and I am very pleased. So let me know, comment below, if you guys own this bag. What do you use it for? If you plan on getting it, what do you plan on using it for? Do you think you're going to convert it into a crossbody like I did? Are you going to wear it as a top handle bag, or are you going to use it as a makeup bag? Whatever you choose to use it for will be great. Okay, like I said, I am very happy with her and to add her to my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next luxury unboxing.